If you want to change font style on the Redmi Note 14 Pro, just go into settings. Next, you will have to keep scrolling until you locate the display and brightness settings. And in this place, you will have to scroll all the way down. Then go into font settings, and we can find two default fonts. But when you click on these three dots, you will be redirected into this, theme store of Xiaomi. If you have some pop-up ads, then you can just skip them. Click here, and right now you can simply go into you can just scroll down basically, and here you can find other fonts that you can quickly apply on your phone. You have to pay for them, but if you input free phrase, then you should also get some completely free fonts that you will don't have to pay. Like for example this one. So we can just tap on it and click free, and after downloading you will be able to click apply. Please leave a like and subscribe.